Welcome to Community Arts. Today we will be doing watercolor cyanotypes. Please cover tables before beginning. Place 4 tape loops on the back of your paper. This will hold your paper down to the table as you paint. Paint a thin layer onto your paper. Allow to dry for a few minutes and then paint another layer. Repeat this step until you reach the shade that you like. Once your paper is dry, dip your foam eraser into the cup of water. Pick out a stencil you'd like to use. Then dab over your stencil. The foam eraser will remove a few layers of paint as you do this. Lift the stencil up to see the design on your paper. Place your stencil on a different part of the paper and use the foam eraser to remove more paint. Use different stencils for different designs. For your last step, flip over your cyanotype and add glue to the back. Glue it down to another piece of paper